Hello YouTube land, welcome to my channel. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Master Airscrew Stealth props for the DJI Spark. Notice down here it says low noise quick release props. Well, noise is very subjective. What I find noisy, you might not find noisy. When it comes to drones, most people on the planet who are not lovers of drones find them noisy. So what you want to do is reduce that noise so that it doesn't irritate everybody, and Master Airscrew does that by lowering the pitch of the noise. It's still noise, but it's less irritating, so to speak. Let me just show you one thing before I actually give you a demo of the sound. So on my little Spark down here, I have the lime green low noise stealth props on. And let me just say this, if you purchase a Spark and it comes in a different color other than green, well then they have, let me just grab all these. They have blue, black, yellow, and what else do I have here? Oh, and red and the lime green that I have on right now. So you would just pick the color that you want to go with your Spark. It doesn't have to match exactly. Your choice, you know. I'll show you what the different colors look like right now on a Spark. So here I have lime green, and I'm going to change to the different colors. And here we have blue. Here we have black. Here we have yellow. Here we have red. And finally back to my green. Let me show you quickly what comes in the box. So inside the box you get this bag, Master Airscrew, for carrying your props, and the bag is pretty much divided into two sections. If you look down, one section is your props on this side, and the other side is all the goodies you get. So what goodies do you get? Set of instructions, Master Airscrew stickers. Now let's compare the two props together. These are the original props that you would get when you buy the Spark. You will notice that they're very tiny in size, and they are foldable props. These here Master Airscrew props are a little thicker inside and not foldable, but highly flexible. Look at the angle on the props of the original. It's not bad. It's pretty thin. It's not going to push a heck of a lot of wind. Now take a look at the thickness of the low noise props. Bit more of an angle it looks like, and it's definitely going to push a bit more wind. Now to do the indoor audio test so that you can hear the difference in pitch, I'm going to use my Rode microphone, which can pick up really good frequencies from high to low, so we should hear everything quite well. All right, I've got my Master Airscrew hat here. Hopefully it fits still on my big melon. And we're gonna take the Spark out for a test. I'm going to record my screen so you can see if there's any errors flying with these low noise props. Here we go. All right, I got my Spark all set to go. All right, let's take off. Everything looks good. Take it out over the water. If there's any errors, it's just gonna fall in the water. So I'm pretty confident that these props are good. So let's just take it out. You can watch my little screen display, see if there's any errors. I'm gonna go full blast forward. Here we go. That's full forward. I'm not in sport mode, but I will switch it in sport mode in a bit. I'm just gonna go to the end where the boats are. All right, no problem so far. I'm going to switch to sport mode and accept all the precautions, and let's fly full blast forward and make sure there's no errors. So that's sport mode, coming back full blast forward. Heading out a tree, heading out a road. Let's take this up. There we are. So honestly, the props work quite well here. Let me just land this thing. There we go. Yeah, no issues with the props. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put links below my video here. Check below so you can take a click on a link and go right to the Master Airscrew website. If you have a Spark and you want to change things up, make it a little less noisy, make it look a little bit more cool, then check out those props. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. There's my 2 thumbs, and we'll catch you in the next one.